All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, March 6th, and we have 2 minutes till market open. So let's see what we have here. So market open direction today will be for a sell. Today we did have NFP, the non-farm payroll release at 8:30 a.m., which is a heavy news event. Price is a bit pushed down here, so we might get a bounce. We might get a bounce. So let's see. Yeah, so today's bias is for cells. Market opens in about 40 seconds. We didn't have a live session yesterday. And this whole week, the market opens have just been fake outs. So we'll go over them when this opens. So yeah, this whole week the market so Monday was a win. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday got faked out. And then price went in the expected direction. Today too looks like it might be a fake out, but anyway, so market open is for a sell. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm in this trade. And let's see if we can get this push. And we're pushing. Let's see if we can get that continuation. Let's see if we get that continuation down. All right. And then, of course, I told you guys one of the new ones I'm looking at is trading candlestick patterns. But anyway, so the one we are focusing primarily here is this market open. So if we see this whole week, so let's start with Monday, and price is pushing down. So hopefully we can get to TP on this one. So you see Monday was a win, clear win. Market open, boom, it was a buy, straight to take profit, right? See what happened Tuesday? Got faked out, price reversed back and would have hit full TP. That was Tuesday. Wednesday, same thing. This is a reversal trade that I took. But Wednesday, same thing. Price opened up, went almost to take profit up here, reversed down, went to stop loss, and then guess what? Came all the way back up to like where the take profit level would have been. That was Wednesday. Yesterday, same thing. Price opened up, went straight to stop loss, and then look at the reversal, back down for the sell. So this week for me, I know for us, since this is what now we are doing for, or we are using for the official trades, in the month of February, we had a 3% win. We had how many live sessions? 9 live sessions, 4 wins. No, I'm sorry. I'm terrible at math sometimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 live sessions with 4 wins, 4 losses. And since we're going for a 1:2 risk to reward, we get back our win. And typically, like with this market open, like we are rarely wrong with the direction of the trade. So rarely, other than you see like the last 3 days where price faked out, typically price normally comes back to the expected direction. The other one is if we look at, so this month so far for the live sessions, Monday we didn't have a live session. Tuesday was a loss, but for me Monday I took the win because I sometimes I can't make it to the live session. But anyway, Tuesday we had a live session, was a loss. Wednesday we had a live session, was a loss. Thursday, yesterday we didn't have a live session. But I took the trade on my own. It was a loss. So today we win this trade, we'll get back the losses from Tuesday and Wednesday. So that's another good thing about the multiple risk to reward. And hopefully we can be able to hit full take profit on this entry. The market open scalp today hit stop loss for the 1:3. but it's been performing pretty well this month, because if I go to the journal that tracks it, in the journal that tracks it this week, 3 losses, 1 win, so break even-ish. And then today was a loss, so this week will be a little down. But looking portfolio-wise, this market open scalp is the most profitable of my journals, because it's the top one with a 25.8% return, with only a profit factor of 1.4, win rate of 33%, about 90 trades so far. So it's my most profitable strategy. Let's see. And there you go, full TP on the market open direction trade. So that's pretty nice right there. So today we have today we have a 1.5% gain, just like that. So we're back to break even for the week. And that's pretty nice right there. Let's see here. Um, yeah, but other than that, again, these live sessions will be pretty short. Like they've been pretty short because we're only taking one trade a day. So I transitioned from taking multiple trades a day. Um, and this morning took a nice win on gold during NFP, took the buy right here. And then I took the reversal as well. So actually today, my profits are pretty high. Looks like I'm almost at 18K for the day. Looking at my trade copy, actually 25K. So let's see if we get a candlestick pattern, and then I just show you guys how I normally trade it, or how I typically trade it. But if it gets to like 9:45-ish and we don't have an entry, we'll just call it a day. So the one we are looking at, so now we are done with this chart. So I'm looking for a candlestick pattern here. It has to be in a demand zone. At this point, we're in a demand zone. So, and the candlestick patterns I'm trading is dojis, and only between 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. So dojis, shooting stars, inverted hammer, and hammers, and hanging man. So it's like 4 or 5 candlestick patterns. And for that one as well, like I've been tracking the statistics for that account. So for the candlestick patterns account, or journal right here, you can see last week was the, just Thursday, Friday, and I'm going for a 1:4 risk to reward. So that's pretty high on US30. But right, because it's multiple-ish trades in a day, I want to go for multiple risk to reward. So, and I'm risking 0.5% per trade. So just last week, about 11,000. This week has been on and off. So this week I'm down so far, but today, for example, if I just win one trade today, I'll be up 2,000 for the week, because I'm risking 0.5% on a 200K account. And you can see the win rate. The win rate is pretty good. Only 11 trades so far with a 36% win rate. And you can see the profit factor, 2.2. So that's pretty high. So if we get an example here today, I will show you guys An example of that entry. I forgot to turn on some account here. See something. Give me a second. There's something. This is 2060. All right. See. Let's see if we get an example here of a candlestick entry. If it gets to 9:45 without anything, and right here, and this candlestick patterns, I'm only taking them on the 5-minute time frame. So if it gets to 9:45 without an entry, that will be it for today because I really don't want to push too much. Yeah, at this time, since we already have that win, I really don't see any other thing to look out for. But that should be it for today's live session. So this week we're at break even. But that should be it for today. Have a good rest of your week and weekend. I will see you guys next week. All right, guys, peace.